So this is a preview of the book I made since it wasn't working to publish it, but you can see here's the first page. We've got a picture on there, lots of relevant text. Since I'm an English major, I can talk about books. Next page in that chapter. This one is a movie using the movie widget. We've got another widget over here, which is the gallery of pictures, showing multiple pictures over there. Then we've got chapter 2 with some relevant text. And we can see this is one of the widgets. It's a popover, shows that over the text. We've got our chart/object in there, and then if we click on this link, that takes us to a YouTube video of the first time Harry, Ron, and Hermione meet. And then if we go to the last page, that is our glossary with the 2 terms in it. Unfortunately, I could not do an external embedded or HTML because it was not working, and so that's all I've got.